Hey Cashinista friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Divatress. They sent me over this bomb crochet hair right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and keep watching. Here is the braid pattern that I'm starting with. As you can see, I did not take my time doing these braids at all. They look trash, but it doesn't matter since I'm just going to crochet the hair up anyway. So that's the braid pattern in the back, and I left that little leave out in the front just in case I want to pull the hair back. So this is the hair from Divatress. It's the quick Curlon Cassie curl in the color 1B over 30. So I'm going to take my crochet needle, and this is the hair, very bouncy and lightweight. I'm going to open up my latch, find where I want to actually place the hair, stick my crochet needle through the cornrow, attach the hair onto the needle, close that latch, and then pull it straight through the cornrow. Now I'm just going to take that opening or that hole, pull the hair through it, and tie it to make a knot. Then I just push the knot up to the base of my head. So again, I'm just going to push the crochet needle through the cornrow, attach the hair, close the latch, and pull it straight through. Then open up that hole and pull the crochet hair through the hole to create a knot. So I'm just going to repeat this same technique for the whole back of my head. So this is how it looked after using one full pack of hair. Now onto the front. So in the front, I do want to use the invisible knot method. So I'm going to take one piece of crochet hair, split it in half to create two separate pieces. And of course, after splitting the hair, it becomes very frizzy. So because of that, I'm going to take some mousse and then just smooth it on the hair to smooth it on out and for the hair to regain its curl pattern. So for the front, I'm going to take my crochet needle and push it through both of those two cornrows right there, just so that I can have a defined part. Then I'm going to attach the hair onto the needle, close the latch, and pull it straight through both of those braids. Now, instead of pulling the entire piece of hair through that hole, I'm instead only going to take one piece of hair and pull it through that hole opening there. It's kind of hard for you to see what I'm doing because the hair was getting mixed up with that hair on the other side, but I am only pulling one piece of hair through that hole. And I forgot to create the knot there, so I only pulled it once through there, but you'll see me do the whole knot like I've been doing in a second. So that's how it looks. When you flip it over, it looks way more natural, like it's coming out of your scalp opposed to that knot sitting on top of the braid. So again, just doing the same thing, taking some mousse to smooth out the hair. Gonna take my crochet needle, stick it through both of those braids. I'm gonna attach the hair onto that. Oh wait, I lied. Technical difficulties. Now I'm going to attach it successfully, I think. Yeah, like that. And then pull it straight through. And only pull one piece of the hair through that hole. Then I just tied it to create my knot. Then I pulled it, and now the knot is under that braid, and you just flip it over like so. So yeah, that's how it looked. I did have to go back on that other side and fill in those gaps over there because she did not see that at first, but I saw it afterwards. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to do that same technique for the rest of the front part of my head. And you do not have to push the crochet needle through 2 cornrows like I did. Like I said, I only did that to ensure that my middle part was really defined, but you don't have to do that, it's up to you. Here is the hair after I finish installing it all before doing any separating, trimming, cutting, or anything. I'm really loving the texture of the hair because it really reminds me of doing a flexi rod set on my natural hair. So it's really natural looking. Here is my end result after I trimmed and shaped the hair to my liking. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.